All right, go Pack Go. This is the video to find the winner of my Jordy or Sterling Sharp Pick One. So we'll check the time, March 15th at 11:02 a.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have March 15th at 11:02 a.m. There is the list of our 23 entries. We're just going to randomize your names. Well, actually, it's a little less than 23 because I removed some spots here. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. It's actually 22 entries. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tim. Spot 9 is your winner. So, Tim, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 15th, 11:03 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.